So if we're just taking a look at XRP, then you can see that we are having a nice little move after, we did see that big Bitcoin ETF rejection rumor nonsense that we saw in the markets drop the market a massive amount. I do think that that was a coordinated attempt to drop the price of everything, in my opinion, considering that we did get the approval for the Bitcoin ETF yesterday, and we have been recovering since then, pretty much to back where before we had that rumor of rejection. You can see XRP here sitting at around 61 cents. Basically, we've just been going sideways for God knows how long now, really, haven't we? But slowly making our way to the upside over, basically we had this big consolidation, the swing low down at around 30 cents for XRP. We were basically going sideways for a good while here, and you can see the previous bear market resistance as well. Basically got that break retest, and now looking like we are finally breaking back into this area here. I do think that this 55 cent level, a massively important area for XRP. You can see previous bull market support flipped into resistance for the bear market, and now we've flipped that area back into support here, I think, signaling to me that we are going to be having some more upside, in my opinion, heading up towards at least that $1 area, start making our way up through the Fibonacci levels again. And overall, XRP really just looking like it's doing what it needs to do, slowly grinding to the upside at the minute. You can see we've got kind of a trend going on like this, where essentially we're just moving up, coming down, testing this trend line and continuing pretty much over and over again to the upside. Obviously with the Bitcoin ETF also approved, this is opening the door for XRP ETFs, etc. going forward. But overall, XRP, the only crypto in the market with regulatory clarity in the US, which is a massive deal, could get an ETF approved pretty much instantly, in my opinion. And I think XRP, it's been sleeping for a long time. The court case revolving around XRP for Ripple Labs is coming to an end as well. And if you look at the weekly time frame here, really for the past God knows how long now, 5 or 6 years, we've just been going like this, coiling up, in my opinion. The amount of compression in the market for XRP is crazy, and I do think expansion up towards $10 in this bull market is very possible. That is only around a 15x from the current price. Obviously people will say, oh, the market cap's too big, but Bitcoin's going to be trillions of dollars, Ethereum's going to be trillions of dollars. I think XRP heading up towards $1 trillion is very possible as well. Let's not forget how ridiculously good the fundamentals are for XRP. Everyone obviously thinks it's a bit of a joke, but it's definitely going to move. And you can see here we have had a nice pickup off this recent low, around 20% off of that swing low there, as you can see, doing what it needs to do. And you saw with the SEC case, when people were saying, the SEC case is over here, and that Ripple Labs had won the case, you can see we basically ran up 50% instantly in the space of an hour. So 50% in the space of an hour from here, just for argument's sake, would take us back to $1. So pretty interesting times. I'm excited to see what happens next with the whole crypto space. We are close now, aren't we? I think XRP is definitely going to follow suit this time around with some potentially explosive price action. So